This is back to vacation. It calls Simon. And tap open. Tap open to open. Then we'll have new cars. It's silicon. It's Silicrister 21C. This is the new car. The new car with special loot. You'll see. Okay, in the back, the last one. Okay, this is a limited edition. My Simon, but totally we call it Wooby. Now, the next video.